What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Rich Nice back once again. So today is a great day. Uh, we finally got our hands on a PS5. Believe it or not, I know they're hard to get, but I couldn't have done it without the help of my brother and my sister-in-law. So big up to Tay and Corey. Much love, much love. So here it is in all its glory. It's the disc version. So we're gonna unbox this thing. Let's see what's inside. Steel factory seal. You have a box inside of a box inside of a box. So there's our new controller. In all its glory. A power cord. Our instructions. Here is something, don't know what that is just yet. Our HDMI cable. And in all its glory, the PS5. Here she is. Great. I'll be John Brown. I finally got my hands on one. And it is the real deal Holyfield. So what we're going to do is we're going to set this up and then we're going to turn it on. So let me set this thing up and then we'll put it on the big screen. Alright YouTube, we have our controller here. It uses the same plug that my phone uses, which is a type C. So let's see if we can turn this thing on. As you can see, well, you really can't see because the lights are on. But this is what the screen looks like. This is what this, let's see, there's a PlayStation symbol right here in the middle. I don't know if y'all can see that. Right there. And there's a little button underneath it. So let's see what happens when we press this PlayStation button. Uh-oh, it's blue. Alexa, turn upstairs lights off. Nothing happened when we press the PlayStation button.
Here's a station you might like. Whitney Houston.
Alexa, stop. So we're going to press the little button underneath it and see what that does. Nothing. Let's press the center button. Nothing. All right. I think our charger, our actual controller needs to be charged. As you can see, it's glowing yellow, which means it's charging. So once it charges, we'll be back. YouTube, we're going to have to turn the actual system on first because it's not Bluetooth to the remote down here yet. So what we're going to do is we're going to press this bottom button, and voila, magic. Starting up, you can see I have the blue lights. Here we go. So I'm going to set you guys down right here in the front while I control the controller itself, because it's kind of hard to do with two hands. And record at the same time, so hopefully y'all can see that. So it tells me to press the PS button, which we're going to do. And the PS controller has a white light on it now. I'm going to press OK. So it's asking me to repair my external hard drive. So I'm going to press the controller, press OK. So it's fixing my hard drive. Just because I unplugged it from my PS4 and plugged it straight in there without actually disconnecting it. So alright, so we are English, United States. I'm going to press X. We're going to connect to our Wi-Fi. Alright, we've signed in. So we're choosing open and social since we play a lot of multiplayer games. Alright, we'll click apply, confirm. Alright, it asks me, do I want to download all of these different apps? I'm going to say yes to everything but Apple TV because I don't have Apple products. So there's no sense in me downloading that now. So I'm going to click download. It's asking me, do I want to transfer data from my PS4? Absolutely. Make sure your PS4 is turned on. And we'll turn that on. So I'm gonna press the power button until it beeps. All right. We'll select storage because we have 528 gigs on this thing, and we got 322 left. So we're gonna press X, and we're gonna start transfer. I won't bore y'all with this, so once it's done, I'll be back. Alright, it's restarted, and it asks me to press the PlayStation button. So you have your ready for PS5 Adventure. All right, YouTube, we have our game on, and I mentioned earlier. Let me go around here. The menu is different compared to the PlayStation 5. As you can see at the top, you have game and you have media. So if you hit game, it'll give you all your information about your game. You have your PlayStation Store. You have Explorer, Call of Duty, which is what I'm playing. Your Playroom, your PlayStation Plus, your PlayStation Now, your Gallery, Share Factory, your Remote Play, and then your Game Gallery. And then if you go up and you go over to Media and you hit the X button, this will give you all your different apps. So like for me, I have Tubi, I have ESPN, Prime Video, Netflix, Disney Plus, and YouTube. So that way you can stream movies and all that good stuff on the media. If I go back over to, also up top is where you'll have your search and your settings. And in here again, you'll have all your network, user accounts, family, parental guidance, system, storage, sound, screen and video, accessories, notifications, broadcast and capture. There's a few things that's different. So it found some accessories that's looking for what they are. So right now it doesn't know. But anyway, normally when you would have to do the PS4 to go into rest mode, you would have to hold your PS button. But here, all you do is you just tap your PS button, which will bring up a menu. And then down here at the bottom, you'll see home, switcher, notifications, your game base, music, your downloads, your sound, your mic, your accessories, your profile. And then this is where you would hit the power button, hit your X, and that's when you would enter into rest mode instead of holding the PS4 button down or PS button down. It's pretty self-explanatory, pretty easy. It took me a minute to figure it out, but if I can do it, anybody can. All the other buttons are pretty much the same as far as your screen capture and your options button. Yeah, so it's pretty much the same. There's a little bit of difference, but it shouldn't be anything that you're not used to or too easy to figure out. As always, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Let me know if you have any comments or you need help with something. I'm here for you. As always, one love. Peace.